Hi, I'm Mark with Aimco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to demonstrate to you one of our new gripper tools. Now, this tool is designed to pull these packages out of some pretty tightly packed bins. In order to leave operators ample access, we designed our tool with as compact a footprint as possible. The tooling is equipped with a force sensing hub. This gives operators easy, intuitive control. You simply apply force anywhere on the right or left uprights, and the whole tool follows in that direction. You'll find on the uprights we've also equipped a set of levers. The right or left hand is the clamp and unclamp, right hand is your common. The tool incorporates a two-hand tie down to keep your operator's hands safe. This requires both levers be pulled in conjunction in order to actuate your jaws. I'll show you how this works. You're going to bring it over your part, try to center it up. Since we're dealing with tight spaces, alignment is key. Bring it down. When the shelf of your jaws touches down, you know you've gone deep enough to encapsulate. Now, out in the field, these packages will actually be loaded with explosive cartridges. And for that, we've equipped the whole tool with a containment shroud. This is multiple position lockable. Simply bring it down and cover your part. The tooling is also equipped with a safety set-down feature. This detects when a part has been raised off the supportive surface and will disable the release of the part until it's put back onto a surface. An operator can also easily toggle the entire system into a float mode. This is done by hitting the left-hand menu button. It records the weight of the system. Make sure your hands are off while it's recording. And now your entire tool and or your part has effectively become your controller. To put it back into regular force sensing mode, simply apply force on the handle again. If you need to lock down the height of your part, just hit the emergency stop. Toggle to the right, turn it back on, wait for the lift ready signal, and you're good to go. For more product videos, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.